Crisp and light on the outside, yet rich, fudgy, and deeply chocolatey on the inside, with a generous amount of chocolate chips, this brownie is a dream come true for chocolate lovers. No one would guess it's made without butter, heavy cream, eggs, refined sugar, wheat flour, or added oil. Despite its decadent flavor and texture, it feels surprisingly light thanks to the almond butter and soy milk that form the base of the recipe. Since cocoa powder and chocolate chips are the stars of this brownie, be sure to use high-quality ones. I hope you give it a try. Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan and gluten-free super fudgy brownie. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a square baking pan with parchment paper. Cut a sheet of parchment paper large enough to cover the bottom of the pan with extra overhang on all four sizes. Place the baking pan upside down and place the parchment paper. Lightly trace the base and fold the paper along the lines. Cut straight slits toward the corners of the traced baseline. Turn the pan upright and place the parchment paper inside. The cut flaps will overlap neatly along the sides instead of wrinkling. Lightly grease the parchment paper so that it sticks to the pan. In a small bowl, combine 120 grams of soy milk and vinegar to make vegan buttermilk. You can also substitute the soy milk with other plant-based milk if you prefer. In a separate bowl, combine coconut sugar and 180 grams of soy milk. Add maple syrup and mix well. Add rum and vanilla paste and mix until uniform. Add almond butter and mix until completely smooth and creamy. For the almond butter, make sure to choose the creamy type without almond chunks and made of 100% almonds without additional ingredients such as sugar, salt, or oil. You can also use other nut butters such as peanut butter. In a separate bowl, sift together cornstarch, almond powder, cocoa powder, baking powder, and baking soda. Combine the vegan buttermilk with the almond butter mixture and mix well until uniform. Combine wet and dry ingredients and mix well. Because there's no wheat flour in this recipe, you don't need to worry about over-mixing the batter. Add the chocolate chips to the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared square pan. Lightly tap the pan on the counter to remove air bubbles. Make sure to fill the four corners thoroughly. Bake for about 50 minutes or until the toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the brownie cool and remove from the pan. This brownie can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. To keep them longer, cut the brownie and wrap it with plastic wrap individually and freeze them for up to a few months. You can also add nuts to the brownie batter, such as pecans and walnuts. I hope you enjoy making this delicious vegan and gluten-free super fudgy brownie and sharing it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.